everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you some of the books I bought for making junk journals. So I bought these 3 books that I'm about to show you from eBay, and I'm going to just do a quick flip through, so this isn't a long drawn out video. But the first one I got was this junk journal. Excuse me. It's already a theme signature, and I was looking at this. It's all glued in there. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to use this book. I thought it was just full of ephemera, but I guess I can just cut these pages out and glue it or put it into my own signature. But I did want to do a junk journal that had a undersea or an ocean theme. And this, if you look through this real quick with me, this is kind of like, to me, Atlantic Ocean, you know, old style mariners. There's a lot of sirens or mermaids in here. I just thought it was cute. But I had actually seen this book on someone else's channel where they used the picture from in here, and somehow I think I went to their, I don't know how I found it, but I did some detective work. I realized this is the book that she had, and then I had to have it. She just used this picture in one of her pages. And so I thought, oh, I'm going to see if I can find that book. And I want to say this book was not that expensive, 10 bucks. So that's what's available on Amazon. And then I bought this book, which I love. It's the 50s Family Cookbook. Now, I looked all around this book, front and back cover, inside and out, and there was no copyright. Don'ts in here. So what this book is filled with is just a lot of 1950s ads, as you can see. Recipes, Campbell's soup, shredded wheat, Jell-O, a lot of coffee. This one's kind of cute because it is a recipe for strawberry custard pie. And then it also has some pages that you can use. And then it has some of these images, a bag of flour. This here is a corner, some butter. And this is what just a basic overview of the book looks like. I do love the nostalgia, the throwback to like the 50s type housewife. So it has really nice pictures, and they're just one-sided, so the other side is blank. And I love those jars. And then they have some of these for making large tags, pockets. And I believe this book, oh, this is recipes. I believe this book was $12. So just a really fun book to use as ephemera, cut things out of. And then the third book I bought was this antiquarian sticker book. So back here it says $24, but I think it was 60% off. Or 40%, I can't remember, but it was only 13 something. So this book is full of, I had to look up the word antiquarian, so it's just old things from the past, I guess. So if you look at these pages, these are adhesive ephemera. They're not real like thick stickers. If you look here, it does come off, but it's very thin. But it just has so many pretty pictures, and they're also sort of one-sided because the opposite side of the pages look like this. So I'll just do a real quick flip through. See, you got flowers. We've got, I like this. Butterflies. A lot of butterflies. Oh, this is cute. I think that's a whale. So, and then this looks like, I don't know, some kind of old type party. Some mushrooms. Some weird things. I won't use all the images. I'll only use the images that pass my community standards, my standards. But look, insects. And this is a thick book, guys. Look at how thick this book is. Now, towards the back of the book, Wait, where did it go? Oh, I'm not even at the back. The back are letters. So every page, there's a page for every letter in the alphabet. I thought that was really cool. And then, let's see. Yeah, the letter A. And then geometrical designs, nautical designs. These look like Native American to me, or Egyptian or something. Ooh, birds. Oh, this is neat. I don't like anything with this all-seeing eye. But this is a very neat book, and they're all stickers. And these are going to go great in junk journals, or just, look how big these stickers are. Junk journals, or just use for ephemera, for card making, for whatever. Use it for my everyday journal. What is this? Is this whole thing a sticker? I think this whole page is a sticker. Guys, you need to go buy this book. Like I said, I think it was 64% off or something. Look at that peacock. Okay, so you get the gist of the book. It has a lot of old style pictures in here. Okay, the other thing that I bought, I believe this was off of AliExpress, is I bought these little houses, these little tins. And I was gonna do little junk journal ephemera in here, I guess. But you can use these for anything. They're so adorable. And I bought several different styles. Well, actually, I ordered 10, and they give you whatever style they have. So I think these are the 3 styles I have. This is kind of weird. It says iMugu coffee, you know, made in China. So iMugu coffee. This one is like the front of a store. And this one is also the front of a store. But what I thought I would do with this would be something good to send off. So I just put some buttons in here. I put one of these in there. I put 4 of these corners for junk journals. You get the gist of it. And then I put this in there, you know, like a latch for junk journals. I put a little doorknob in there. Oh, I put a couple of those. And then I just filled the rest of it with buttons. And that was just as one idea of what you could do with this. I mean, you could fill it with a little scoop. You could put all kinds of things in here. Since this is a coffee themed box, you could put anything related to coffee. Put some coffee beans. This one, you could put anything related to a store. Put some fruit, whatever you wanted to do in here. And then the other ones I got this one, and I just bought one of these because I wasn't too sure, you know, if I was even going to use them. But I love this one with the American flag. And then I bought another one with the British flag, but I think they sent me the wrong tin. But these are really great. This one just has like the stamps of the different countries. Don't even ask me what countries these are. I think this is France. This is an airplane. I don't know what that is. Ships. I do not know the flags of other countries that well. But that's the Union Jack of Great Britain. And I think that was it. I think that was all for the haul that I had and that I wanted to share with you guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Am I almost to 700 subscribers? Pretty excited about that. So hope everybody's having a great day and take care.